How great would it be if there was a strategy where you could get backlinks to your posts on your blog from other authoritative blogs within your niche? Hi, it's Guru Bob, and this is a day 5 video for module 4 for the challenge. In this video, I'm going to be explaining a strategy called Pingbacks and showing you how to use Market Samurai to use the Pingback strategy to get authority backlinks to your posts on your blog. Let's head straight over to the screen where I'll explain what a pingback is. So pingbacks are a notification technology built into most blogging platforms that allow a blog to know when the blog is being linked to from another site or another blog. And when that pingback occurs, when the blog actually creates a pingback, a short excerpt of the post that contains the link to that blog, along with a link to that website where the anchor text of that link is usually the title of the post that contains the link, is then published to the site where the pingback notification is being sent to. This strategy can be a nice way of gaining backlinks from other blogs within your niche simply by linking to those blogs in your posts. Now, the implementation of this strategy is made even easier by some fantastic functionality that's been built into the promotion module of Market Samurai. And I'm going to hand over to jon-dean of the Immediate Edge, who's going to show you exactly how to implement the pingback strategy using Market Samurai.
A lot of people aren't quite sure what pingbacks are, but quite simply what pingbacks are is if you leave a link to another page on your blog and the site that you're leaving that link to allows pingbacks, what they will do is they will check the link and then they will leave a link on their blog that points back to you. So it's like getting a backlink without having to go and do the backlink. In order to illustrate this, I'm going to head on over to a site here, and you'll see we've got the comments at the bottom of the site. I've just scrolled down, you can see we've got actual comments here that people have left, but then at the bottom we've got this trackbacks/pingbacks section, and you'll see this bit here, it's got like ... and then end ... and the content in between is the actual content that is on the other site. But you'll see here this tweets that mention HTML5 video for WordPress, that is a link back to the site that left the link. So that's what a pingback is. If you leave a link to this page on your blog, it will check that link and then it will leave a link back to your blog in the pingback section. And again, in Market Samurai it's very simple to do. If we just sort by the pingback column here by clicking on it, you'll see this top one, the kiteboarder.com, allows pingbacks. So all we need to do to leave a pingback is check this box, and you'll see on the right hand side now Market Samurai says create pingback HTML, and you can actually choose to have the link going to the site as being no follow. You can also have the link opening in a brand new tab, and you can have the link in a list, so a bulleted list. If you uncheck the box, it's just normal text, or you can put it inside a table. Now you might be wondering why you'd have it in a list, and quite simply it's because, you know, there's a few here. If we look on the left again, these sites are sorted by pingbacks. If we check like site number 2 and site number 3, you'll see on the right hand side now we have a list of 3 different sites. It's got a link to the site with a small snippet of the information. And really what this kind of thing is meant for is when you write your blog post, you might say at the bottom of it, oh, and for some other great resources on kiteboarding, check out these articles. So all you'd need to do to add that to one of your pages is you just click on the copy code button here, and then you go over to publish content where you've already hopefully hooked up your WordPress direct site, and it will just take a second to load. And if I just choose my personal blog here, it will go away and it fetches all my blog posts. Now you can either write a brand new blog post and put it in there, or if you wanted to add it to an existing blog post, this last one here of mine, if I just go and click on the pencil icon to edit, and there's my blog post. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and then, you know, I could just put here, for more Brill resources on kiteboarding, check out these articles, and then I've pasted that in. So all I've done is I've just pasted it in, and you'll see now that list in the table is already pasted in, and all I need to do is come down here and hit the publish button. And what will happen then is it will send a ping to each of these 3 sites. Each of these 3 sites will come back and check that that link exists, and then they will automatically create a pingback link to my blog, much like this pingback link that's here. So that's what a pingback is, and again, in Market Samurai they make that super simple to do. Now I'm just going to close that down because I don't actually want to change my my blog post to include kiteboarding, because this is just an example, but that seriously is how simple it is to get some good quality backlinks and also pingbacks to your site using Market Samurai.